Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Buick Lacrosse key fob. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure you are working on a clean, well-lit surface to prevent losing any small parts. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy battery replacement process. Next, carefully examine your key fob to locate the small notch, usually found on one of its sides. Gently insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a slight, controlled twist of the screwdriver, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the fob is open, you will see the old battery. Take note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up, before removing it. Carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it is placed in the exact same orientation as the one you just removed. This is crucial for proper function. Finally, align the two halves of your key fob carefully. Press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating that the case has securely snapped shut. Once reassembled, immediately test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking your vehicle, to confirm it is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.